अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला देते।
19th Safar al-Muzaffar, Urs Mubarak of Hazrat Mir Sayyid Ahmed Kalpawi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi. Hazrat Mir Sayyid Ahmed Kalpawi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi was born in 1006 Hijri, corresponding to 1598 AC in Kalpi, Hind. He performed very exemplary works in spreading knowledge and etiquettes. Many people received his special attention and became of spiritual and marvelous natures. Thus, they received the higher levels of spirituality by virtue of his spiritual attention. Thousands of people gained his blessings. Those who were hard-hearted used to tremble by virtue of his spiritual attention towards them. The books Jami'ul Kalim, Mushahadat al-Sufiya and Sharh Asma'ul Husna enjoy an important status amongst all his writings. Hazrat Mir Sayyid Ahmed Kalpawi Rahmatullahi Ta'ala alayhi passed away on the 19th of Safar al-Muzaffar, 1084 Hijri. His holy shrine is situated in Kalpi, Hind. May the blessings of Allah Azza wa Jal be upon him, and may we be forgiven without accountability for his sake.
अल्लाह वाले जो अल्लाह से मिला